customer needs to know when to replace a hose assembly. Uniflex presents the ULS label system. The setup is easy. You can type in the information. Or choose predefined entries, such like a batch counter, name of the machine, work pressure, and more. Activate, enter work pressure, choose side, and you can start. After the crimping process, the software automatically starts the print. Or choose to print manually. Apply the label on the hose and wrap it tightly around. The clear film protects the print area from abrasion and long-term wear. Add all important information to the label: replacement dates, approved pressure, and your company details, while reducing costs and avoiding time-consuming repair work, and much more. Uniflex provides 2 different label sizes to cover hoses up to 2 inches. They are made of a high-quality and UV-resistant material. More information at uxinside.net.